£20? £10 cheap, £10. Gold shop. Now the good thing about gold in Turkey is it's taxed and VAT less than in the UK. Usually the workmanship, you know, it can be better because they literally start working from being a kid. They'll go to school, then on a night go to a jeweller's and learn how to melt the gold, make the gold. That's why usually it's cheaper and better workmanship in Turkey. I'm liking these at the minute, mate. So these I bought off Temu, but I do like the sets that they've got in Marmaris as well right now. What do you charge for these?
This is 35.
How much?
35.
20. So it's used the All Leeds badge, the retro Adidas, and the new sponsor. What's class that? Hello, hello, hello. We are now at Grand Bazaar and the marina side of Marmaris. So we've just came all the way over from Ishmael. Best bargain buys. Etem dropped us off at this end. Always good to have friends about that'll drop us off. And you'll recognise first the fishing boats and then the party boats. In fact, I'm lying, the party boats to that side. A couple of people fishing there. Just across the road from where I am, let me show you. This is Grand Bazaar on the other side of this. The castle is at the very end. The castle is right at the end there, I don't know if you can see. Now let's go and take a look on a beautiful sunny day in May 2026 inside Grand Bazaar in Marmaris. What's the name of the shop? Rukan?
Yeah.
Is it really since 1996 or you just make that date up?
No, true.
True. Rukan bag shop.
All proper leather. 100%.
Everything?
Everything. No mix.
Oh, I'll have to bring the wife. So this is Rukan bag shop in Grand Bazaar. What was your name again, sorry mate?
Ismail.
Ismail, more Ismail. Thank you mate, appreciate that. Right, let's go and check out the rest of Grand Bazaar. Which one? All of them? All for the World Cup. Where's the name? No name.
So I'll show you the Celtic, Tottenham, Man U, Leeds United, Aston Villa, Leeds United, Leeds
Bobby!
United I have.
Let me show Bobby. So Bobby's down there, the Yorkshire Indian. He's a Leeds fan.
So this is coming there, the third kit, the black one as well is coming. They're
Yeah.
the 5XL.
And this is the old badge.
No,
like
there's old badge, yeah.
Yeah, it's like retro,
yeah,
nice,
yeah.
nice retro. So it's used the All Leeds badge, the retro Adidas, and the new sponsor. What's class that? You'll love that.
The old Leeds badge.
Like the retro badge,
Right.
but the Adidas old,
And they got the Red Bull logo.
and the new sponsor on it. That's class that. Premier League.
You won't like that though, will you?
What, the Premier League?
Plenty of room for it.
Aston Villa below. Nice. Let's keep looking around Grand Bazaar. Hello mate, Merhaba. You alright?
Things alright?
Yeah, good mate. Long season, you ready?
You're always ready.
That gold shop. Now the good thing about gold in Turkey is it's taxed and VAT less than in the UK. Usually the workmanship, you know, it can be better because they literally start working from being a kid. They'll go to school, then on a night go to a jeweller's and learn how to melt the gold, make the gold. That's why usually it's cheaper and better workmanship in Turkey. Star shop on the corner here. Look at that, lovely shop front. Yeah, can do mate, yeah. Well, that's what I like, a food court.
A little bit of a food court.
Hello mate, what about? You alright? Oh, my missus is going to like it in here.
This leather shop we have for man, for woman.
Very different.
Please. And you should come to see my shop as well.
Which one's that?
But the next door.
Let's have a look mate.
Nicht so hell, dass es ins Weiß geht. Upstairs is more if you like to.
Yeah. Oh, jewellery shops, eh? So the missus is going to rinse me of money here, then take my money off me here. I'll bring the wife.
Listen, you should look at the inside. How the design is this?
Look
Never
at
seen something
this.
like this before. This is the most.
Beautiful, mate.
Yes,
Beautiful.
See, this is the jewelry shop in Marmaris. This is the best.
Look at this.
Yeah. You can look.
Sit, relax, have some chai.
Yes, and also over here, all of them, one-to-one stone, real stone. There's not something fake or something like that.
Mate, it is beautiful.
It's silver, gold, whatever.
And where are you from, mate?
Marash.
Marash.
This bit far away. Yeah.
I know where Marash is.
Yeah,
I know.
all right.
I've been to Mersin,
Uh-huh.
Adana, Gaziantep, Shanlofer and Siverek. I've been.
Oh, super.
Look at this. What is this?
It's the door.
Secret door. Where are we going? Oh, mate, this is like hotel toilets.
Yeah.
Is that light?
Yes. You see?
Look at
This
this.
is it.
I think today I'll leave my hotel and I'll just stay here.
It's all right.
Thank you, mate. Look at that.
You see?
What's the name of the shop, Ali?
Star.
Star.
Star jewelry.
Mate, this is a nice shop. How many years you been here?
It's over here until 2012. About 60 years.
So in the shop, is everything real in the shop?
all of them real. We have
Gold,
diamonds,
silver, diamonds.
gold, silver, diamond, 18 karat, 14 karat gold, repairing, scrap gold we buy. We do everything.
So we've just left the old Grand Bazaar, which is this way. Let me show you. So old Grand Bazaar is that way. You see the pink on the archway. Now all of this, what colour did this used to be?
Orange.
This was all orange. So this was orange. Now there's no roof. This is how the new Grand Bazaar now looks. It's all new floor. Huh?
Watch out, mate. Watch out. Watch out.
What are you on about?
Watch out.
What are you talking about, you? Oh, there's a cat. There's a cat attacking me. So this is the new Grand Bazaar, new floors. Look at the way that the shop signs, all put on the bricks. What's this? Oh, my size as well.
No,
So you got my size.
you know that big.
Perfect, mate. Let's have a quick walk. Let's have a quick walk. Hello, mate. All right. Speak English? You speak Zaza? Yeah. Second, eh?
Yeah, he's learned. You're teaching Zaza.
Yes, mate. Yes. How are you? All right.
All right, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you, mate. Nice, clean shop, tidy, mate.
Like that, busy, no business, very empty.
Need customers.
Yeah,
What's the name of the shop?
family boutique.
Family Boutique. Family Boutique. Prices on things.
Everything can price.
Can we haggle or no?
Yeah.
How much
You
we
can
haggle?
haggle, is no problem. Don't worry.
Thank you very much, mate.
You're welcome, mate.
I'm liking these at the minute, mate. So, these I bought off Temu. But I do like the sets that they've got in Marmaris as well right now. What do you charge for these?
This is 35.
How much?
35.
20. So we know some prices. Look, let's keep looking through Grand Bazaar in
Yeah,
Marmaris.
come on, everybody,
Thank you,
the
mate.
customers come. Grand Bazaar is best for. Good price, don't worry. Everything almost half price.
Half price, 35 half price. What's that, 17.50?
Yeah.
Bosh. Right, let's keep looking. Grand Bazaar, again, the pink area down there. This is a new Grand Bazaar. What's the name of this shop? Where's the name? Where's the name?
Where are the good shoes?
Whereabouts are the good shoes?
The good shoes.
I'm joking. Should have downstairs and upstairs. Honestly, how long I've been coming to Marmaris and Ishmael, and at all these shops I'm going in now, I have never been in before. I've been through Grand Bazaar a few times. I'm always in Ishmael, I'm in other parts of Marmaris, but the Grand Bazaar here, everyone has to check it out at least once on the trip because it's just shop after shop after shop. Then there's rows of food as well, kebabs, cheap kebabs, and you still will find things that you won't find in other places. So the fixed price, or can you haggle in here? How much are these naughty little numbers? £20, £10, cheap, £10.
£10, all kids shoes, £10.
Which ones?
All kids shoes, £10.
All the kids?
New Balance. I
Spot
have
on,
more
mate.
clothes upstairs.
More upstairs?
Yes.
We'll do upstairs next time. What was your name, sorry?
Doğan.
Duan. Nice to meet you, mate. Where are you from, Duan?
Siverek.
Oh, Siverek as well. Mozaza.
From Siverek too.
Yes, mate. Right, so whilst we're still looking through Grand Bazaar, again from the pink area up there, Pink Lane, I'm getting dragged into a shoe shop here in the new part of the Grand Bazaar. Let me show you. All right, mate. So, shoe centre, let's take a look inside. Oh, now you're happy, yeah? Now you're happy. You're welcome, mate. You're welcome. Who's wearing these? These Prada as well.
Yeah.
Naughty them, aren't they? Do you wear them?
No, for like old people.
What do you wear? What do you wear in here? Hello, mate. All right.
Very good.
Good, thank you, mate.
You see, brother? It's like your.
And what do you charge for these?
It's only like £30.
£20.
30. if you like, I give it cheaper, no problem.
No problem, mate. No problem. All women's shoes as well.
Yeah, woman.
Maybe I'll bring my wife next time then, eh?
For young woman.
Oh,
See?
let's bring the wife in. Show her the shoes. Who made it? Whose wife? Or sister? Your wife made?
Yes.
Oh, Chuck Gazelle, mate. Chuck Gazelle. What? No, thank you, mate. So what is it? What's mixed in?
Potato.
Chicken, lots of spices, tomato, peppers, onion. Tell your wife. Very nice.
Okay.
Good cook. Good to have a wife who can cook.
Thank you.
Cheers, lads. See you later. What about Nike Air Max?
Nike Air
Who
Max.
who is wearing these?
Oh,
Who's wearing
nice
them?
girls.
They wear them
Yeah? You see?
for like sexy time.
Yeah, when you go to party.
Sexy time.
Yeah.
So what about Nike Air Max? No white?
No white.
Oh, so we have blue,
Nice color, blue and
brown.
Very
Come on then,
nice.
how much? Everyone's watching, how
You
much?
just pay the 25. No
25,
problem. Yeah.
25.
Yeah, no problem.
Mate, good selection. Thank you very much.
Nice New
What was your
Balance.
name again, sorry?
John.
What's your real name?
Barish.
Turkish name?
Barish.
Barish.
Yeah.
Oh, I know Barish from Civitek as well.
Yeah.
I already know Barish, sir. Barish, thank you very much, mate. Right, so now we're just walking out of Grand Bazaar. Honestly, you can get lost all over. This is the new part, new floor, new walls, new everything, which is different to the old traditional Grand Bazaar. Alright, mate. So, this now brings you out back to the boat where we started. And you can head to Marmaris beachfront, maybe 10-15 minutes walk that way. To the right, or sağ in Turkish, sağ. So there's the Yorkshire Indian. I'm Dad Loves Food, and a massive thanks for watching this YouTube video of Grand Bazaar in Marmaris. Hopefully you go and check it out. You see the rest of Marmaris and over in Ishmael as well. And I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to Dad Loves Food on YouTube.